Pero ikalawa, ang pinakahiling ko, we get to the bottom. Because etong lumalabas lahat ngayon, this is exactly the culture and the amount of violence na araw-araw hinaharap ng mga mamamayang Pilipino na gutom, that have to commute, that have no other options but to daily grind and sacrifice their body, their health, just so that they live another day para matago yung pamilya nila, etc.
The effect of corruption.
2024 was one of the worst years dahil Karina happened and our house was flooded up to waist level, no? That was the first time ever since Milenyo, Ondoy, and 2012 Habagat. So doon mo makikita agad na yung flood control na 1 trillion ang nabuhos for this. Ibuhos. You can tell that it's failing because bakit ganito yung perang lumabas pero binaha pa rin kami? Bakit binaha pa rin tayong lahat? Pero ikalawa, ang pinakahiling ko, we get to the bottom.